Sunsera blend coffee from Starbucks, 10 K-cups. This is the Starbucks blonde roast, and it does have notes of bright citrus and toasted almond. I did get this at my local Publix store. They actually had Starbucks on sale for $8 a box, which is quite a bit off. I think that's about $4 off. So I decided to pick one up. So let's go ahead and get into this and brew us a cup in my Keurig. Alright guys, so we're back here in my room, and I figured I'd come back here. It's the furthest room from my husband sleeping in our room, so I decided to come in here and try it out. I picked this up on a whim just because it sounded different, and I noticed that it was on sale, which Starbucks isn't often on sale, so thought I'd go ahead and pick it up. I did use my oatmeal cookie one creamer because it is a very neutral creamer. Doesn't really alter the flavors of coffees too much, which I really like, but it does have a nice creaminess to it, which I enjoy. I know, before the coffee police come and get me, I know that if I tried it without creamer, I would get the full flavor. But me personally, I drink my coffee with creamer, so I'm reviewing it with creamer. I don't drink black coffee at all. So if you do drink black coffee, then this review may not be for you. But if you also do enjoy creamer and you want to know what this coffee tastes like with creamer, this review is for you. So let's try it out. That's really good. I like that. I can definitely taste the flavors of the coffee because there is a citrusy undertone to the coffee, which sounds a bit weird. But there's just this really bright citrusy note in the background, and I taste it every single bite. I don't taste the almond quite so much personally. Maybe like way back there, but the thing I taste the most is probably this citrusy undertone, and it tastes really nice. It actually complements the coffee really nicely. Yeah, that's pretty good. I actually really do like that. And I'm normally not a fan of the Starbucks K-cups. I like Starbucks and I like their coffee drinks, but in the store, I feel like a lot of their drinks are very sweet. And then the ones at home, the K-cups, I feel like those always seem very like smoky. Like they have a very heavy smoky flavor. This one is definitely not like that at all. This is totally the exception. Doesn't taste like smoky at all. It's actually very pleasant. Perfect for like a morning cup of coffee. I don't know if I would really want to drink this at any other time in the day. Maybe if I was having like a dessert and I wanted something to pair really nicely with it, this would be really nice to pair with it. Just because there is kind of that citrusy note in the background, I feel like it would taste really, really good with like a sweet treat, like a cookie, or maybe some kind of pastry. It would taste really good with that. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. I'm gonna definitely finish the whole cup because I really, really enjoy it. This is good. I don't know if I would pay the usual price tag. For me, Starbucks usually retails for about anywhere from $11 $13 a box. A little bit pricey because you're paying for that Starbucks name, but when you can get it on sale, and for $8 a box, $8 is a box of 10, that's not bad at all. So I think that was actually a pretty good deal. So if you're wanting to try some Starbucks coffee at home, maybe you just really like coffee like me and you just like trying different coffees, or you're just trying to maybe, you know, save some money, not go to Starbucks all the time, you want to, you know, make it at home, this is a good option for you. It's definitely, I think, a coffee you would enjoy. Not a heavy roast though. If you're someone that likes dark roast, this is not going to be for you. This is going to be way too light. It has a very nice, good, light flavor. But even as a blonde roast, it's not watery or anything like that. It's just, it has a good, light flavor with the citrus and everything. I really like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video review of the Sunsera coffee from Starbucks. Let me know if you've tried this one out yourself, or if you have a favorite coffee that you like from Starbucks. Let me know in the comments section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.